KTN News. Now, a day after the Kenya Certificate of Primary Education results were released, teachers marking the 2019 exams have expressed doubt about the credibility of the results. Speaking exclusively to KTN News, one teacher who took part in the marking process says they were overworked and under duress, a factor that greatly reduced their effectiveness and accuracy. KTN's Mary Mwoki with the details.
Barely a day after the KCPE 2019 examinations results were announced, examiners have cast aspersions on the credibility of the results, saying that teachers who took part in the marking worked under duress, therefore greatly compromising their input.
To do your work effectively. So that rushing, it does not augur well with the marking. We feel our children are being shortchanged. Some might, the ones which were marked the first 2 days, for the remarking, maybe for the composition and the insha, it is not fair. If we are to do good work, let us do work that there is no remarking.
Last week, a teacher from Tusunini Primary School who was marking the exams collapsed at the marking center and was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival. Nasimiyu, not her real name, says the hurried schedule took a toll on their health due to the pressure and long working hours. She says that although the marking for the KCPE exams had been planned to take 10 days, the process was hurried and they were forced to deliver in just 5 days.
If the 10 days was okay, or even if it has to be rushed the way they want to rush, then give it 8 days for effective work. When you do something, do it well. Under 11, and by 15th Friday, we were through.
There's growing concerns over the hurried release of both KCPE and KCSE examinations, with many examination markers saying that they are forced to work for long hours, in the process compromising the accuracy of the examinations, while the Kenya National Examination Council argues that releasing the results early is a way of curbing cheating. Mary Mwoki, KTN News.